Hi everyone and welcome back. So finally I have everything I bought from the Nykaa Pink Summer Sale. There are 4 boxes, you guys, 4 heavy boxes. And I'm not an impulsive shopper, okay? I only bought everything I need and I wanted to try. And I know I'm gonna exhaust all of these products. So this is going to be a haul video and let's start. So I've got a couple of boxes from Nykaa Luxe over here. Let's open these first. I really like the packaging of the Nykaa Luxe box. The first product that I have is the Wishful Get Clean 2% PHA and Sea Moss Gentle Foaming Cleanser. Now this was on 50% discount and I really wanted to try a new high-end cleanser, So I think I got a really good deal on this. I really like the color of the packaging. This is the 150 ml variant. They also have a travel size. Okay, this has got the same scent as their enzyme scrub. I really like the enzyme scrub too, by the way. I bought it during the last Nykaa sale. Again, that too on 50% discount and I am still using it. You just scrub your face with that and you get an instant glow. So I really like that. This one smells the same. It has got 2% PHA, which is a very mild exfoliant. And it's a foaming cleanser. So this is the first product. I really love the packaging. This is going to look so beautiful in my bathroom. Next, we have a new launch. This one is from Laneige. It's the Laneige Bouncy and Firm Sleeping Mask. Now, up until now, I was using the Estee Lauder Nutritious Mask and I loved that. It transformed my skin. So I needed something that could compete with that. And this little thing launched in India, so I thought of buying it. Also, I think this was available on 15 to 20% discount. Again, the whole packaging is so cute. I just love this baby pink color. It has got these really small balls in the texture. I don't know what exactly is this. Okay, so the small balls do dissolve, you guys. And this is so light. And it's so nourishing. I can't wait to apply this on my face. It has got a very light floral scent. This smells so soothing. So this is a collagen sleeping mask that's supposed to give you bouncy and firm skin. I don't know why I feel like this is overfilled. I don't want to put the cap on. So next, let's unbox the heaviest box I have. So first I have this body wash from Dove. This is not actually for me, it's for my mother. Why is everything so aesthetic today? This body wash actually has a lavender color and it smells like lavender. So the variant that I have is the lavender and chamomile variant. So this is supposed to be a more soothing body wash, I think. Next, I have a product from Nivea. I ran out of body lotion, so I got the Nivea Natural Glow Body Lotion. Now this is supposed to visibly reduce tan in 2 weeks. I have tried this before and I will not say that this reduces tan in 2 weeks. It does take more like 2 months, I'll say. The only reason why I buy it is because of its texture, and it has got vitamin C, but it's down in the ingredients. But I really like the texture of this. It's super lightweight, absorbs really quick into my skin. This is perfect for summers. Then I have a free product from Nivea. This is the Nivea deodorant Pearl and Beauty. Okay, this smells very fresh. But when it comes to roll-on deodorants, I only trust Plum and Chemistat Play. I'm probably going to use it and test out the longevity. But this is a really good travel size. Next, I have a couple of shower gels for me. I love Bath & Body Works when it comes to shower gels. Especially their gingham range is just my favorite. Summers plus their gingham range is the perfect combo, okay? I recently spotted these two. First of all, the colors look so good. And I think I got these for 50% discount. So these were around 700 or 800 rupees per bottle. Now this one smells very close to the original gingham, the blue one. A little bit, just a little bit more fresh. But yeah, this is pretty similar to their original gingham. And now this one is a bit more warm. The first one that I have is the gingham fresh. And the second one that I have is the gingham vibrant. Not my favorite gingham. My favorite is going to be the blue one, definitely. But yeah, it's a little bit different. If you like something a little bit spicy, a little bit warm, you will like this. I'm going to store this for winters. Then I have Korean skincare. First is the Cosrx Low pH Good Morning Gel Cleanser. This is one of my favorite cleansers. I have talked about this in a few videos. I really like it. It's summers. It has got some salicylic acid, so I thought of getting back to it. This makes my skin feel so fresh. Now next I have a product that I will be trying for the first time. This is sort of a hyped product. It's Dear Klairs Freshly Juiced Vitamin Drop. This has got pure vitamin C essence, Centella asiatica extracts, yuzu extracts and grapefruit extracts. So this is essentially a vitamin C serum. I wanted something super lightweight, travel friendly. This has got plastic packaging. Okay, this is exactly like water. It feels a little bit warm on my skin. I don't know, is this normal? It also feels a little bit oily. Is that normal? Is it supposed to be oily? Because this doesn't exactly feel like an essence. You know, essence is watery. Did I just waste my money? It is oily, you guys. It is oily. I don't think I can use this during summers. It's so oily. This is like disappointment caught on camera. It feels so greasy, I don't know why. Okay, so I will probably use this during winters. It did feel a little bit warm too. I should have done a patch test, okay? Then I have a couple of makeup products too. First is this Insight Creamy Lip and Cheek Tint. Now I did see a lot of comments saying that I should try it, and I got it in the shade Floral Fiesta. Oh, that looks nice. It definitely sheers out a lot. It looks cute on bare skin too. It shears out a lot, it has got a nice glowy finish. I mean, it looks really cute on bare skin. If I would blush naturally, this is how it would look. And ultimately, I got a brow gel. I am sick of using just this one or these couple of brow gels every time. So I bought the new Brow Me Points Tinted Brow Gel from Love Child. Comes in this green packaging. It's just a little bit more brown than what I go for. So that's it. Those were all the products I had. I got these products at some amazing discounts. The Nykaa Pink Summer Sale is still live. All of these products are going to be linked in the description box so you can check them out. If you like the video, do not forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.